Web Development Training in Chennai, Aimore Technologies, Chennai. A Novice's Handbook to Embarking on Your Journey into Web Development. Introduction to Web Development. Embark on the journey of Web Development for beginners, exploring the fundamentals of coding languages. Unleash your inner web developer by understanding the process of creating websites, encompassing design, coding, and both front-end and back-end development. Essential Web Development Technologies. Master the key technologies of web development, including HTML, CSS, PHP, Python, and JavaScript, JS. Each plays a vital role in crafting engaging and functional websites. Steps 2. Create your first website. Select a hosting platform. Secure a domain name. Establish your hosting account. And utilize a code editor, such as Notepad++, or more sophisticated tools, like Adobe Dreamweaver. After crafting your digital masterpiece, employ FTP. 2. Send it to the server. Challenges in web development. Navigate the challenges of information overload, staying updated on technological advances, and fostering innovation. Full Stack Web Development Graduate Program offers a rich resource base to support your learning journey. Guidance for learning web development. Learn at your own pace and level up swiftly. A rewarding career in web development awaits those who embrace hard work and perseverance.